Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on TaleQuest, a creative storytelling game where you and your friends become a team of adventurers. In this game, you'll face strange challenges and solve them by using the items in your backpack. Let's see how it works. The goal of the game is to complete an adventure full of challenges. You work together and solve each challenge by combining your items and coming up with a fitting solution. If you reach the paragraph "The End", you've completed the quest. But if you run out of items or can't agree on a solution, your quest is over. Now let's set up the game. To play TaleQuest, you need the adventure story, object cards, and the game character. Place all object cards face up on the table. Depending on your group size, each player picks 6 items if you're 2 players, 4 items for 3 players, 3 items for 4 players, or 2 items for 5 players. Put your items in front of you. The rest can go back in the box. The youngest player gets the game character. The player to the left takes the adventure story. Once everyone has their materials, you're ready to start. Each round works like this. The player sitting left of the player with the game character reads the story aloud. The player with the game character, the active player, then suggests how to solve the challenge and uses at least 1 item to do so. You can use more than 1 item, and you can use items from other players. Work together as a team to find a solution. Then discuss. Do you like the idea? If yes, the challenge is solved and the items are removed from the game. The game character and story move clockwise, and the next player becomes the active adventurer. And that's it! Now you know how to play TaleQuest, a cooperative storytelling game full of your ideas and adventurous imagination. So grab your items, listen to the story, and come up with your own solutions. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!